Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you. This awesome rechargeable wireless microphones. Boy, that looks really cool. These are a 2.4G wireless ID pairing technology. This technology support up to 10 channels and support multiple sets using in a band simultaneously. So here are two of these, and you can use both at the same time, no problem. But you can use additional, there's no problem, because it's a big, it's a big microphone, which is wireless and portable. Wow! The microphone battery is rechargeable, so you do not have to replace the battery, and it comes from LEKATO, an awesome microphone and music brand on the market. We have the device has application fields, a personal entertainment for home KTV, parties, educations, advertising, conferences, and of course other purposes. You can choose what you like to do with that microphones here. It's really easy. You connect this transmitter into your music box, and then the only thing you have to do is push the power button on the mics, and then it will pairs automatically. We have a power key or a frequency conversion key. There you can change the frequency, of course, from channel 1 up to channel 10, so you will not have go in trouble with other microphones out there. We have the pairing button. Oh yeah, that's really easy to connect, because the only thing you have to do is push this button once, and it will connect easily. We have the current working microphone A and B indicator on the receiver, so the receiver can have two microphones enabled, or only one as you like. So you can see both are ready for that receiver, and you can pair them easily. Only push the button and switch it on. Then we have a battery level indicator. It's turned off automatically when the battery is too low. And a TX transmitter signal thread on the screen on the right upper side. That means it's really easy to see, and the current working channel from channel 1 to channel 10 is shown on the display while the microphone is switched on. So that it's really easy. The receiver is a D6.35 plug into speakers, and the receiver indicator of the microphone comes with B or A. That means you have two microphones which can get in position to the receiver. The power switch button, that means a long press of the switch will power the device on or off. On the receiver, it's the same like the microphones. And we have Type G charging ports on both devices, on the mics and of course on the receiver. So we can easily get the power into it by using our smartphone power supply. It's a Y cable with USB-C, so you can dock it into your AC adapter on your socket or on your computer, on your laptop or another USB device, and you can reload both microphone 1, microphone B, no problem, baby. The frequency band is 2.4 GHz. The SNR is more than 70 decibel. The distortion is more than 0.5%. The working distance is about 50 feet. The power supply mode in microphone comes with a 18650 lithium battery, and the receiver is a built-in lithium battery. The K3080S is equipped with 1 to 2 Type C charging cable, which can charge two microphones at the same time. The output current of the DC 5-volt power adapter is required to be 2 ampere or above at this moment, for example. Otherwise, we have to check and charge the microphone one by one. Okay. The working channels from 1 to 10 is possible. The frequency response is 50 up to 18 kilohertz. The latency is more than 3 milliseconds, and the full battery works time. The microphone is about 30 hours, and the receiver is about 20 hours. So you can make a big karaoke day with that. It's really easy. The microphone, long press the power key to turn it on or off, and short press to change the working channel. On the receiver, long press the power button to turn it on, insert the receiver into an audio outlet, and the microphone will work normally. When the indicator mic A and mic B long lightened. The indicator flash to indicate that no microphone signal has been received. And the microphone at low power, the power indicator is decreased to flash or shut down at charging. At low power, the power indicator is decreased to flash. So you have to recharge it, of course. It's easy because you have this Y cable with USB-C. In the state of power off, the first hold the press the pair key in the tailpipe of the microphone. If you have to repair it, but I think it is not necessary because this is a standalone version between the two microphones. It's a direct network which comes over the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network here. When the microphone is under the pairing mode and the receiver is on, they carry out the operation of the short press to the 2 times on the power key quickly to enter the pairing status. When the pairing is successful, the indicator light of the receiver will be on for a long time and we can use it. You can see it's really easy. The microphone and the receiver can be turned on. The microphone and receiver maybe have a low battery. Check this, okay? The microphone squeals. When the microphone is too close to the stereo or sound volume is too high, we have to reduce the volume of the speaker a little bit and take the K3ATS far away from the speakers so we do not have these squeals again. The microphone can be charged fully when 2 microphones are charged in the same time by the same cable. That means the LED screen shows it's charging for a long time. The output current of the power adapter is required to be 2 ampere or above when the 2 microphones are charged to the same time. Otherwise, the power adapter will be caused over current, protecting so that the microphone can't be charged fully. So the solution is really easy. We charge the microphones one by one if we use a power adapter with a current of only 1 ampere or less, or a general computer USB port. You will get a microphone, 2 of them, a receiver USB to Type C charging cable, an anti-skid rings, 2 of them, and this helps you while in big party, you will let the grip on that microphone easily. This is the rechargeable wireless microphone K380S by LEKATO. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me the positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.